What's happening, everybody? This is Dustin at Cardboard Hobby with our second break of the night. It's 2013 Leaf Mini Helmet Football. It's 2-box break. Date is April 8th, 2015. Our team owners look like so. Billy with the Panthers, Bradley with the Browns, Chad C with the Bears, Chris G with the Cardinals, Ravens, Giants, and Raiders, Derek with the Redskins, DJ with the Packers, Jets, Steelers, and 49ers, James with the Chargers, Joe A with the Bengals, Joseph F with the Jaguars. Got Mark with the Broncos, Texans, Eagles, and Seahawks, Matthew G with the Falcons and Patriots, Mickey with the Buccaneers and Titans, Victor with the Bills, Will S with the Rams, William P, who was our winner of our autographed jersey with the Cowboys, Chiefs, Dolphins, Vikings, and Lions. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me repeat that. William P with the Cowboys, Chiefs, Dolphins, and Vikings. Me and William S with the Lions and Colts. All right, guys, here we go. Just back. Here's our first helmet. There's our seal. I'll show you the rest. We're all sealed up. Corners, back, bottom, sides, all that stuff. Here's our first one, and here's our second one. Here's our seal. And I'll show you the seal one more time when we get to the plastic off. Everything's rocked and rolled. Goes box number one, guys. Good luck, everybody, in this break. It's our last two boxes of this case, so this is it. I got more on the way. They should be here tomorrow, so we'll be doing more next week. More mini helmets next week. This is the last two of this 8-box case, though. There's our seal one more time. Seal one more time, guys. Good luck. Alright. Got the sticker a little more. There we go. Here we go, guys. Good luck. Looks like a Steelers. Oh, is that Mean Joe Green? Oh my. Mean Joe Green for Pittsburgh Steelers. Sweet. Sweet. That's a nice one. Congrats, Pittsburgh. That's awesome. So I can see that. There's no name on the cereal, but obviously that's Mean Joe Green. That's cool. That's it for Pitts. Congrats. That's it for the Steelers. That's a sweet one. Mean Joe Green for Pittsburgh. We'll set that one to the side. Here we go. Second one, guys. There's our seal again. Same box. Yeah, that is an awesome helmet. That's what we like to see, man. Saving the best for last. Hopefully this one surpasses it. We only had a repeat break once, 2 Dolphins helmets. Hopefully we don't have that again. We like to spread the love around here. It's our seal, guys. Good luck. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Looks to be Niners? Yeah. What do we got? I have no idea what this is. Oh my gosh, I can't get it out either. Jeez. It's wedged in there. Anybody got a name on that? That's 49 or someone. I don't know who it is, though. CLA has no name. Anybody got an idea? That's Steve Young. Is that Steve Young? Anybody know? Do we have a Steve Young and a Joe Green in the same break? Anybody know if that's Steve Young's auto? Kind of looks like it. I think it might be Steve Young. Holy cow. Nasty break. Joe Green and Steve Young. Anybody can confirm that, but I'm pretty sure that's Steve Young auto. I think that's Steve Young and Joe Green. Holy break. Man, that's what we're talking about. That's what we like to see. Those are helmets. Now, those are mini helmets. All right, guys, that's our break. This is CardboardHobby.com. We appreciate you guys stopping in tonight. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll hang around for a few minutes here after the break is over. And I'll go over anything you guys want to see again. If you guys have any questions for the Prime football break at 11 Eastern Time, I'll be happy to answer those questions. But our helmets were Joe Green and Steve Young. Sick 2-boxer here. So let me know, guys.